Breaking update that is coming in from Madhya Pradesh, because we've all seen the story. However, when it comes to the shocker that was reported in Damoh, wherein FIR, we are told, has now been registered against the management of the Ganga Jamuna school in Madhya Pradesh's Damoh district, where a controversy had erupted over the allegations that female students were being forced to wear an Islamic headscarf.
According to the police, the school management has been booked under sections 295, 506 of the IPC and also under the Juvenile Justice Act. The SP of Damoh, Rakesh Singh, said that the FIR was lodged on the basis of the statements of two students who have made allegations against the school management. So the school has been booked. The Hindu students were forced to wear hijab.
Pranesh is also joining us live right now. Pranesh, I'll just come back to you. We will play the ground report that Makrant has also sent across on the ongoing investigation taking place in this particular school.
दमोह के गंगा जमुना स्कूल को लेकर जांच और तेज हो गई है। मुख्यमंत्री शिवराज सिंह चौहान ने अब चीफ सेक्रेटरी और डीजीपी को इस मामले में संज्ञान लेने के निर्देश दिए हैं। जांच में पता चला है कि गंगा जमुना स्कूल के संचालकों के और भी बहुत सारे बिजनेस है, जिसमें काले धन को सफेद करने से लेकर जिहादी मानसिकता के लोगों को फंडिंग तक करने के सबूत मिले हैं। अब गंगा जमुना स्कूल प्रबंधन की बाकी प्रॉपर्टीज की जांच चल रही है और साथ ही टेरर फंडिंग के एंगल से भी पुलिस जांच करेगी। देर रात गंगा जमुना स्कूल संचालकों पर एक FIR भी दर्ज कर ली गई है। बच्ची के बयानों के आधार पर यह पता चला है कि बच्चियों को हिजाब पहनने के लिए मजबूर किया जाता था, साथ ही तिलक लगाने और कलावा बांधने को लेकर के प्रतिबंध भी लगाया गया था। सवाल ये भी उठ रहे हैं कि क्या गंगा जमुना स्कूल में धर्मांतरण करने की कोई फैक्ट्री चल रही थी।
And all these angles are being investigated, whether there was a conversion racket being operated in the school. Pranesh, we saw the entire hijab episode unfold in Karnataka, where the school management was slammed and it was alleged that it was nothing but Islamophobia. Now here in Madhya Pradesh, schoolgirls victims alleging they were forced to wear headscarves.
You know, Swati, I'm glad that you're talking about Karnataka, and at the outset, let me make it very clear that the narrative in Karnataka about hijab was that, look, wearing hijab is a matter of choice. But look what's happening in Madhya Pradesh, not very far from Karnataka. This is clear case of coercion. Islamic practices have been imposed in this particular school, and it won't be wrong to say that in the name of Ganga Jamuna, no pun intended, this is a fraud on secularism. Hindu students were forced to wear hijab. Tika was not allowed, tilak was not allowed, and if you see the details of this story, many teachers have made grave allegations against the school administration that they were even asked to change their faith. Now we will wait for authorities to ascertain that. But on the face of it, and now that case has been registered, the Madhya Pradesh government has reacted. The Home Minister has given a zero tolerance message. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has come out on record and said that strictest of action will be taken against all these people who are involved in this. And this is not an isolated case, because not one or two students, more than 7-8 students have gone on record, and we'll, in the course of this show, we'll play out some of the reactions. Students who've gone on record have broken their silence and told us what they were made to go through. For imposition of hijab was just one of the things. Swati, all those people who said hijab is choice, what will they say? Hijab is being forced on Hindus, Hindu students. What is this?